Hi, this is Jason. Welcome back to my channel. I had a customer ask me, Jason, I got one of these brand new 2020 Chevy diesel trucks. Where is the fuel filter and how do I change it? Well, on these, the fuel filter is located right in front of the gas tank, and I'll show you right now how to do it. So under this truck right here, here's your gas tank. Here's the fuel filter housing right here. To loosen this up, you'll need a 36mm socket and a wrench. You loosen it. Now once you get it loose, you're going to unscrew it until the fuel starts to drip out. I already got the gas out on this one for video purposes. You're just going to leave it there, let all the fuel run out. Now after you get this out, you want to make sure to change this blue O-ring right here. It does come with the new filter. When you pull the old filter out, here's your new one. You can see that green O-ring. This will go down into the filter and it'll lock in. So let me get all this together and I'll be right back. Okay, so I changed my O-ring down here. Put my filter in, remember, O-ring side down. You are just going to screw it back in. Just like that. Take your 36mm wrench and tighten it. Once you get it all tight, you're pretty much done. Also, to bleed these things, all you have to do is I cycle the ignition to the on position for about 15 seconds, to the off position, to the on position, to the off position, and I do that 3 times, and that should purge all the air out of the system and it's ready to start. It's not like the old ones where you have to break the screw loose, prime it by hand, do all that. These are self-priming. So that is how you change your fuel filter and where it's located on the newer diesel trucks. Hope you like this video. Boop that like button, subscribe down below. Until next time, thank you.